I want to show you how I created this faceless YouTube channel that went to make over $652,522.80 within 4 years on autopilot. Now, to show you this isn't luck, this channel less than a year ago, we were able to get it to be making around $100 a day consistently. Not only that, but over a dozen of other people that were able to copy and paste what I'm gonna be revealing to you today. So if you click on this video, it's most likely because you want to create some sort of stream of income online. So pay attention, because I'm about to show you how you can take advantage of the creator economy where you can make paychecks like these in a matter of weeks. And also, I'd like to give a disclaimer. Just because I was able to go out and get these results doesn't mean that you will. And after all, what I'm gonna be showing you guys are stuff that I've been formulated over the last 6 years of doing this myself. I like to make this clear because obviously my reputation is built on how transparent that I am with you. So I certainly cannot guarantee that you get the result like the one that I've gotten, but what I can 100% guarantee are the result of regular average people who's using the simple beginner-friendly business model that I'm about to show you. And in case this is your first time seeing me, my name is Fred Vixamar, and if you're looking for the best business model to start as a beginner without having to work 10 hours a day adding to your regular 9 to 5 just to make a decent income, without having to sell thousands of units of product just to pay the price of stocks, and finally, without having to invest your hard-earned money in some risky opportunity that may cost you all your saving, and even if you probably have a solid career that you enjoy, but you want to add an additional stream of income, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you my 3-step plug-and-play system that busy 9 to 5ers all over the world are using to add an additional stream of income that are allowing them to have time and location freedom. And I will deliver all this plus more in the next 14 minutes. So if you don't have 14 minutes to invest in your financial future, and well, then I guess this business model won't be for you. Now, if you stay and watch the video till the end, I'm actually going to send you a gift of 5 most profitable niches that have generated me and also my student over multiple 7-figure that you can use to put all those 3 steps together. And if you're completely new to my channel and you are not familiar with what faceless YouTube channel are, then let me catch you up. To make a long story short, YouTube pay out over $30 billion to its creator every single year. That's to average people like me and you. So when you're watching people like Mr. Beast, or you kids are watching this cartoon on their smart device, the people that make those videos, that run those channels are making a boatload of money from the views that they are getting from those channels. In simple term, they upload videos and you watch those videos, and then YouTube paid them because you watch your video. And YouTube have that budget because they make over hundreds of billions of dollars from advertiser on their platform. So they pay about 55% of that to the creator that are uploading on the platform. So if you're something similar like me, you probably are not too comfortable in getting a camera. I know I'm making this video, but trust me guys, I consider myself a high introvert. So instead of having to buy a camera or do any goofy things or spend hours recording and editing video yourself, there are channels like these.
The 12 apostles of Jesus Christ were simple men from various backgrounds, such as fishermen.
Or maybe you've watched videos like these sharing the news.
Welcome to the Epic Economist channel. We are living in historical times.
Well, these channels are all faceless channel, and the business model start with the first step, which is picking a profitable niche. Now, a niche is simply a category that your channel will fall under. For example, one of the previous channels that we've shown was a news or economy channel. So you want to pick a niche that have popularity, similar to how this channel that I've built that covers movies and TV show highlight. And as you can see, this video that we upload got 3.4 million views and generated over $19,000 from just one video so far. One of the biggest things that I tell many of my students that I've worked with is that pick a niche that's appealing to the masses, which give you the ability to get millions of views. Not only that, but when you upload a video, even years later after the video is finished and uploaded, you're still generating passive income from views coming in from something that was done years in the past. Now, one thing that I tell many people who struggle with establishing what their niche will be about is to think about, what do you consume when you're watching YouTube videos? When you look at your YouTube homepage, what come up the most? What channels or creator that you've been helping making thousands, if not millions, by giving them your attention? And a lot of the time, you see a lot of opportunity by asking yourself that question. Now, instead of spending your time consuming these YouTube videos, you have a chance to establish your very own channel and start having YouTube send you a monthly direct deposit to your bank account. Now, if you made it this far, I want to give you some money. For all the viewers that are watching and all my subscribers that are on this channel, I want to give back by giving one of you guys $450. I'm gonna Cash App and Zelle it to you. I've written a special dollars amount from 0 to 100. It's on this paper. I'm gonna show it real quick. From 0 to 100, whoever comment the right amount amount in the comment section, the first person that comment the right amount, I'll pin your comment and I'll respond to that comment. Of course, into your response, you can send me your Zelle or Cash App once I respond to it, once I pick the winner, and I will Zelle you or Cash App or whichever one you prefer, Venmo, whatever, that $450. So whoever gets it right will get the $450. So if you don't see a pinned comment, then most likely I haven't picked the winner yet. I haven't seen the winning comment yet. And if you guys want me to start doing this in every single video, let me know and I'll start doing it. So to get back to it, once you pick your niche, just lead us to step 2, which is building a team for automation. The beauty of this business model is that you can actually pay somebody or pay a team a fixed price to do 95% of the work for you and actually only spend less than 4 hours a week in the beginning to have all this operating for you. And there's no need to make a single video yourself. 2 months ago, 2 channel I started had some of their highest month because of a couple videos that went viral, and that month alone combined with just these 2 channels made over $100,000 in profit from just those 2 channels. And this was all while taking a 2-week vacation in Miami Beach with my girlfriend. Now my output wasn't tied with my input. I didn't put any time to be able to make more money. As a matter of fact, that month I work less than usual. Every single channel I create, I simply have a team that consists of a writer that writes the script for the video and an editor that creates the video and upload the video with AI, and at the same time, a thumbnail designer that create the art, the visual that you see before you click on the video. And that process repeats for a second, third, fourth, fifth video consistently on my channel without me every week. And usually I pay these 3 people combined only $50, upward to $100 per video that get uploaded on the channel. One of those channels was started over 8 months ago, and on this specific month, we were able to make over $40,000 while we only upload 15 videos. That cost me $75 per video, which means I only put $1,125 to make back $38,000 in profit. And the good thing is, the price per video is fixed and you only pay for that video once. And you continue to make money from it years later as people continue to click and watch this video, which give you access to have a library of video on your channel that brings in residual income as you see day in and day out many years down the line. And once you find your team, your freelancers online that are able to do this for you, this finally leads us to step 3, which is optimization and scale. Because once they make the video get uploaded on the channel, and from there it's just views, and the views turn to revenue. And the reality is there is a high chance your first couple of videos aren't gonna go viral and get thousands and millions of views. One of the best quotes that I've heard is that YouTube is a marathon and not a sprint. If it was as simple as uploading 5 videos and I'm receiving payout from YouTube, then obviously I'll be a billionaire by now. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires work and also consistency. Usually when you upload your first couple of videos, it's to help YouTube, the algorithm, better understand what your channel is about and who to promote your video to, and where to even place this video. As you upload more quality video, you're helping the algorithm to get more data to promote your video. And naturally, another thing you're gonna start noticing is you notice what does go viral and also what to double down on. For example, with this faceless channel that fall under the travel niche, if we look at the most popular video on the top left corner right there, compared to the other one, what do you guys know what the pattern is? All right, so most of you guys probably noticed the keyword wonders of. It's part of the keyword, and not only that, but the video that are longer, you guys probably can see the time frame right here. So the longer video are actually the one that are performing the best. And most channel, you notice eventually within the first couple months, you see a pattern within the video that get the most views, and obviously that will help you with idea that your team can double down on. And the thing about YouTube is that it's like a snowball effect. Once you get your first viral video, people will start checking out your other video, the older video, the first couple of videos that you upload that did not get a view, that's gonna start giving the whole channel a boost. And like most thing in life, once you start seeing that initial success, it becomes easier to maintain it and start reaping the reward from YouTube revenue. Then you can get to the point where you can replicate all these 3 steps to own multiple faceless channel that brings you residual income from YouTube. As promised, below in the description, I've attached a Google Doc link, which is my gift to you guys, that will show you guys the most profitable niches that have helped me and also a few of my students to generate over multiple 7-figure that you can also use to implement those 3 steps. Now, if you stay to the end, that shows that you're committed to invest the time needed for you to make this happen and see results. I've mentored over hundreds of people in the last 6 years alone, helping them start, monetize, and automate their faceless channel. And as you see throughout this video, this is something that I personally do myself to help me maintain basically financial freedom and being able to control my time and do what I want to do when I want, and ultimately allowing me to retire myself from having to work specific hours while somebody else is controlling my time. And if you're interested in having me and my team help you build out your own faceless channel, then there's gonna be a link below where you can book a call to speak directly to someone on my team. And as you guys know, my result and also my resources aren't typical, and obviously it won't be free. So to save both of us time, before you go to the link, for us to invest time and resources onto you, it will ask for you to do the same in return. Now, this won't be a sales call where you just book a call and it's basically buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that. This is not gonna be that. This is a call to identify where you are, understand your goal, and set up a plan of action, and then we'll lay out what we can offer based on your situation and the level that you are at. And at the end, we trust you to make your own decision and decide if you want to move forward with working with us or not, or just take what you got on the call. Either way, we'll be good. And you will definitely leave that call with more insight whether you work with us or not. So if you're open to mentorship and want to invest in having us help you, you can click on the link in the description below and book a call with someone on my team. And we're looking forward to meet you and speaking with you. And again, guys, thank you for watching. And if you found value in this video, it will support by hitting the like button because it will help with the algorithm, help more people actually see this video. And subscribe if you're not subscribed to, if you want to see more videos similar to this on how you can operate and build your own faceless YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.